Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a pool home listing in the residential estates. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, it's a little windy, so I think we're gonna go in here real quick. Nice little front courtyard. All right, guys, this is 2162 Rudolph Drive in the residential estates area. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1992. 2,183 square feet. Sits on your standard 10,000 square foot lot in the residential estates area. Doing it inside today, it's a blowout outside. It's that time of year. Has travertine floors. Has LED can lights, big open floor plan. You have double doors out to the backyard pool area. 4-inch baseboards, integrated speakers. This is a split floor plan, so the master's on one side and the other 2 guest bedrooms are on the other side. You have another little double door out to the front patio and your front entry. And it's got a little bit of a weird kitchen. It's kind of in the front, a little different. Tile tops, stainless appliances, reverse osmosis at your sink, can lights and LEDs everywhere. You have your pantry. This house has underground utilities and natural gas, which is one of the benefits in the residential estates area. You have a little front dining nook type setup. I think I forgot to mention the list price on this one is $730. Of course, there'll be a link to the listing detail page below this video. Here's your front door. So you have your master. Has a door out to the backyard pool area. It's pretty decent size. Has a fireplace in here as well. Can lights, vaulted ceilings. Some stacked stonework on here. Looks like a natural gas starter. And you have your master bath. Nice tile walk-in shower. You have a mirrored double door walk-in closet with some built-ins. Has dual granite topped his and her sinks. Little linen closet. And your toilet has its own door. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have a guest bedroom is the first room you run into. Vaulted ceilings, can light, ceiling fan, dual double door slider closet. The closet has some built-ins in it. And the next room you run into is a guest bath. Has a solid surface top, looks like quartz or something. So this is kind of a junior master suite as well. Jack and Jill's into the next guest bedroom. Tiled walk-in shower. So I'll just go through this door. So at the end of the hall, you have your third bedroom, second guest bedroom, vaulted ceilings, can lights. Has a door out to the backyard pool area, which we'll go check out here in a second. And back out in the hall. So back on the master side, you have your indoor laundry and garage door access. Has a little utility sink. And your door to the garage. If I take that back, the door actually goes out to the front patio. And then you have a door to the garage. So there's no access from the garage to the house. So you have a 3-car garage, 29 feet deep, 7-foot doors. Has a rear drive-through bay. And there's also a bathroom out here. So you have a little half bath out here. Has a tiled walk-in shower. Nice little pool bathroom. So off the living room, you have your pool access. Nice pool. Has looks like it has some spillways. There's no real covered patio per se, but this is facing south, so it'd be in the shade for most of the day, you know, after about noonish. You have a little outbuilding. Has pop-up cleaners. Looks like the tile is separating from the beam right there. Not a big deal. I like it back here. There's no wind. Have a little broken glass type fire pit with a seating area. Lots of room back here, all paved. There's your drive-through rear garage door and your pool equipment. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Rudolph. Again, this one was listed for $730. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.